Hey guys, I got my order in from the junk journal shop, and I haven't opened it yet. I just took it out of the package. Anyway, if you guys aren't subscribed to her, run over and hit her up, because she has some great sales, and her stuff really is, you know, it's good stuff. She doesn't buy any junk, but she's got great prices. She really does. Fair prices. Look at this trim. Can you see this trim? Let me see. This is pretty freaking awesome. So I got this. And it appears to be about a yard over. I think she sold it by the yard. And I got this one. Oh, I love it. Now this is actually going to look very good in a nature journal, because it looks like little leaves. And then I got this one. This is cool. I like this. These can be cut off. These little circles can be cut off. And a teeny tiny brad put right there and used for closures. I mean, if you just end up with just a tiny piece left and you can't use it for anything. Then I got it in green. Oh God, I love this color. It's kind of a cross between a teal and a mint green, in case the camera is not showing you what it really is. And I got it in pink. Of course I got it in pink. And I got it in coral, or dusty rose. I want to say coral. Wow, I really like all of them. So, these are going to come in great with something I'm getting ready to work on shortly. And this, I can't wait to get into. So, what's in here? This is one of the booklets for wedding invitations go in. And I mean, these people do it up right. But look at this. This will make a cute little, put some pockets on here. And some belly band on here. Put some ephemera in it. But it's Saturday, 4th of December, 2018. You can just put a little something across there to cover that. But here we go. Here goes the exciting part. I'm always scared. Look at that beautiful bow. How did she get that back on there? I won't get it back on there like that. You know what? Can I? I sure can. I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to take it off like it is. That way I don't mess up the bow. It's gorgeous. Look at those. Wow. And these were actually, she was selling for Sapia. Oh, look at this. See, Johnny, this is how you do it. You hold it away from the camera when you show it. I was teasing her because we could see her in it. Oh, look at this. There is a lot of this fabric here. Love it. Check it out. Wow. I'm excited now to get started on this project, but I have to finish the unfinished projects I'm working on. So that's there. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. And you have this little bag that has a bunch of itty bitty pieces in it. So you have a lot of these. Aren't they cute? These look great. Oh yes. Perfect for what I'm working on. I'm not going to tell you what I'm working on yet, because this may be a year before I get to it. No, it won't be that long. Oh, stunning. Blue and gold. I love them together. Check it out. Look how neatly she has all this laid out. Stunning. And she was auctioning these off. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So you had a chance to get them at, really good prices because they were auctioned. I love these so much. Oh my God. Love them. You know what's funny is I have tons of bags of these clothes that I just haven't taken the time to sit down and take this off. Now, Sophia's just got more time and patience than I do. But I'll probably get to that in the next couple of months because I'm going to be doing some more boho stuff. This was my favorite thing in the whole kit. As soon as I saw this, I said, I've got to have that. I need that one piece for project. But the rest is really awesome too. I mean, look at all the stuff that's in here. It's stacked, just a stack of it. And Johnny also has an Etsy shop called the Junk Journal Shop. Oh God, I love this. And I don't know if you guys ever think about it, but when I get fabrics like this that I absolutely love and say, that would look great in an art project, I copy the fabric onto the photocopier and just put it on some cardstock. This is cool. This is folded. I'm going to keep unfolding it all, but they're all folded several times, so you're getting a lot of fabric. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice. Oh, I love this color. Wow. I'm not a fan of black, but I'll use this. Ooh. I love this color. It's gorgeous. Nice. It's also beautiful. Oh my God. I don't even remember seeing this one, but look at that. Holy cow, I love it. And there's a lot of this one here. A whole lot of this one here. This is gorgeous. There's enough of this for me and to share with some friends too who would like some of it. See, now wouldn't this make a good piece of paper? Yep, it would. So, like I said, if you're not subscribed to her, get over there and hit her button. Ring her bell so you'll get notifications when she's doing sales. But other than that, she's just really fun. She does really fun lives too. So, yeah, it's Junk Journal Shop. The link will be in the description. And I think I don't know what Sophia's channel name is, so I'm not even going to attempt to butcher that one. But, yeah, I'll keep all of this together because she did such an excellent job of color coordinating everything that when I'm ready to do these projects, it will all be right there together. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the Junk Journal Shop, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.